Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Okay, let us start today.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. So now solve first question. Cos theta is equal to see 1 upon root 2. So solution. First, how to solve this one? First, we need to find out the principal value. After that, general solution. See, cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2.
Cos 30 degrees.
So this we can write cos theta is equal to cos 45 degrees, cos pi by 4. 45 degrees is lies in between 0 comma pi. So that means principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Now general solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So this is equal to 2n pi
2 and plus pi by 4.
plus or minus pi by 4, where n belongs to integer z, or I also is some textbooks you may find. Right. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So how to solve this one? Here given cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2.
Pi by 3.
Yes, yes, absolutely correct. So cos theta is equal to cos 60 degrees. That is pi upon 3. Right. So principal
Value is alpha is equals to pi by 3.
Now the general solution is
General solution is theta, that is equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha equals to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3.
Is equals to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3.
n belongs to z. Right. Okay. Third one. Solve cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2.
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6.
Right.
theta is equals to 2n pi plus or minus
minus
pi
pi
by
by
6.
Cos theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos theta is equal to, we can write cos 30. Cos 30 means cos pi by 6 we can write. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 6. Okay. General solution is
Theta is equals to 2n
theta
pi
is
plus
equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is equals to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6.
pi by 6.
pi by 6.
Completed.
N belongs to Z. Right.
Completed.
Let us move to the fourth question now. Cos theta is equal to 1. So what is the answer?
2n pi plus or minus pi by infinity.
Pi, sir.
Okay. So cos theta is equal to 1 means we can write cos theta is equal to
Pi.
1. And next cos theta is equal to cos 0 degrees. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Then what is the principal value? PV is alpha is equal to 0 degrees. General solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So that is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 0 degrees. So we get 2n pi, where n belongs to Z. Right?
Completed, sir.
Right. Let us move to the fifth question now. Cos theta is equal to 1. Sorry, already completed one. Cos theta is equal to 0. Cos
2n pi plus or minus pi by 2, sir. 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2.
Yes. So that means solution we can write like this. Cos theta equals to 0. So cos theta is equal to equivalent to cos of 90 degrees, pi by 2. So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 2. General solution is
2n pi plus or minus alpha.
theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. So we can write 2n pi plus or
2n
minus
pi plus or minus pi by 2.
pi by 2.
Where n belongs to Z.
Where n belongs to Z. Right. Cos theta equals to minus root 3 upon 2. Minus root 3 upon 2.
Minus pi by 6, sir.
No. Theta cannot be negative, you remember. Even cos of minus theta plus cos theta you will be getting. Check the principal value range. Principal value always lies in between 0 comma pi. 0 comma pi only. It should not be negative. In the case of sine, it may be negative. I do agree.
150 degrees, sir.
Yes, let us see. Let us do like this now. So given cos theta is equal to negative root 3 by 2. So that means cos theta is equal to, we can write cos of 180 degrees, but cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. You think just root 3 by 2. Just ignore the sign, negative sign, and think if root 3 by 2 is there, you will be getting pi by 6. Am I correct now? 30 degrees. So pi minus pi by 6 right now. Pi minus pi by 6. So that is equal to cos pi by 6. That is nothing but 150 degrees only. That means principal value is alpha is equal to 5 pi by 6. Now, if you know the principal value, general value, very easy, simple manner you can write. What is the general solution?
2n pi plus or minus 5 by
Yes, 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 5 pi by 6. N belongs to Z. Clear now? Understood now? Very simple manner
Yes.
you can write it. Shall I move to next
Yes.
question?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Cos theta is equal to negative 1 upon root 2. Just ignore the sign. For example, if cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2, then
225 degrees, sir.
yes, that will be
225.
Yes, let us check. So first write down given cos theta equals to negative 1 upon root 2. This we can write for our convenience. Cos theta is equal to cos of pi minus pi by 4. That is cos of 3 pi by 4. That means 135 degrees. Now the principal value is alpha is equal to
2n pi plus or minus 3 pi
3
by
pi by 4. General
That is-
solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 3 pi by 4. N belongs to Z. This answer.
completed, sir.
Yes. Cos theta equals to negative 1.
Pi, sir.
Yes.
Theta pi. 2n pi plus or minus pi.
Here given cos theta is equal to negative 1. You can write cos theta is equal to cos of pi minus 0 cos pi. So principal value is alpha is equal to pi. General solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. That is 2n pi plus or minus
Pi.
pi. N belongs to Z. Right, okay. So let us move to the next note now. Next important point.
So can you show the before, please?
Okay. We have already completed sin theta is equal to k, its principal value as well as general solution.
Thank you, sir.
We have discussed cos theta is equal to k, its principal value as well as general solution. Now we are going to discuss, we talk about the general solution of tan theta is equal to k, and also we are going to discuss about its principal value as well as general solution. So for the equation tan theta is equal to k. One minute, let me write 1 minute. One minute. Right. For the equation tan theta is equal to k, k belongs to real number. And k may be any value. You remember, there is no restriction. K may be any real number, but in the case of sine and cos, you remember K must lie between -1 comma 1 only. But here K may be any real number. Okay. So now the principal value lies between open minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. That means
Pi by
minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So that means theta here principal value does not equal to minus pi by 2, does not equal to pi by 2, does not equal to minus pi by 2, does not equal to pi by 2, but it lies in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Principal value may be negative, you remember, just like sine. Okay. Next, and general solution is theta is given by that we need to find out now. So let us derive the formula for this one. Tan theta is equal to K. Let alpha be the principal value of tan theta is equal to K. So that implies we get like this. Tan theta
tan
is
theta
equal
by
to
cos theta is equals to sin alpha by cos alpha.
tan theta is equal to tan alpha. This tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta.
Is equals to sin alpha by cos alpha.
Yes, sin alpha by cos alpha. Okay, cross multiply it. If you cross multiply, what do you get?
Sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta
Sin
sin alpha
theta
is
cos
equals to
alpha is
0.
equal to cos theta sin alpha.
Is
So
equals to
bring
0.
cos theta sin alpha to the left hand side. So sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha.
Is equal to
Is
0.
equals to 0.
Now it is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So with the help of compound angles, we can write sin of theta minus alpha.
Sin of theta minus alpha is equals to 0.
0. So that means already we have discussed it. Sin theta is equal to 0 means theta is equal to n pi. Am I correct? General solution. Okay.
Yes.
See, we have discussed it. See, for example, sin theta is equal to 0. That implies theta is equal to n pi. We have discussed it. Similarly, here theta minus alpha is equal to n pi. Now, what is theta? Theta is equal to n pi
Theta
plus
is equal to n pi plus alpha,
alpha
where n belongs to z.
z. Very simple. If tan theta is equal to k, alpha is the principal value, then the general solution is given by n pi plus alpha. So that means we can write theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. Shall we do problems now on related to the tan theta is equal to k form?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is very simple. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Solve. First question. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, try to solve this question. What is the answer do you get?
N pi plus pi by 6. N pi plus pi by 6. N
Tan
pi
theta
plus
is
pi by
equal to- First, let us write this 1 upon
N
root 3
pi
as
pi by
tan 30. Tan 30 means tan pi
tan
by
30
6.
degrees.
First principal value. PV is alpha is
Alpha,
equal to pi by
that
6.
is equal to pi by Pi 6. is equal to pi by 6.
General solution is theta is equal to
Theta
n
is
pi
equals
plus
to
alpha.
n.
So n pi plus pi by 6. N belongs to Z. Okay. Now second one. Tan theta is equal to 1.
n pi plus pi by 4, sir. N pi plus pi by 4, sir.
4, sir.
N pi plus pi by 4 where n
pi
belongs
by
to Z.
4, where n belongs to Z.
Very good. Tan theta is equal to, we can write tan 45 degrees pi by 4, where pi by 4 lies in
Pi by
between
4.
minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 open interval. So principal value
Principal
PV
value
is
is
alpha is equal to pi
equals
by
to
4.
pi by 4.
Now the
Given
general
solution
solution
is
is
theta
theta
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
n pi plus alpha.
n pi plus alpha.
N pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to Z.
Very simple. N belongs to Z.
Sir, can we take LCM for that and do?
Why not? Take LCM for n pi and you can take pi common also. And sometimes answer may be like that also, no problem. You can do it as you wish. No restriction. Tan theta is equal to root 3.
Pi by 3, sir.
Good, very good.
N pi
N
plus pi by
plus
3.
pi by 3.
Where n belongs to
Yes. Tan theta
Given
equals to tan
root 3.
60 degrees. 60 degrees.
Pi by 3.
Yes. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 3.
Alpha is equals to pi by 3.
General solution is theta
Theta
is
is
equal
equals to n pi plus alpha.
to alpha.
N
Where
pi
n
plus
belongs-
pi by 3. N belongs to Z.
Right. So fourth question. Tan theta is equal to 0. Sin theta is equal to 0 means n pi. Even tan theta is equal to 0 also directly you can write n pi. No problem.
N pi, sir.
Yes, n pi right. General solution is theta is equal to n pi.
N
Yes. Right. So tan theta is equal to negative 1 upon root 3.
Sir, one show before page.
minus pi by 6.
Yes, yes, yes.
N pi plus minus
Minus negative will be given.
N pi minus pi by 6 where
Yes.
n belongs to Z.
Solution you need to
pi
write
by
like this. Tan theta is equal to, this is tan of negative angle. So pi, actually here 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3, tan 30, pi by 6. The principal value is alpha is equal to
alpha
minus
is
pi by
equals
6.
to n.
General solution is theta is equal to
Theta is equals to n pi plus alpha.
n pi plus alpha. That is n pi
N pi
minus pi by
minus
6.
N pi
by
minus pi by 6.
where n belongs to Z.
Z. Okay, sixth one. Tan theta is equal to negative 1.
Minus pi by 4. sir.
Minus pi by 4.
Minus pi by 4 where n belongs to Z.
Pi by 4. N pi minus pi by 4.
N pi minus pi by
Tan
4.
theta
Where
is
n
equal
belongs
to,
to Z.
if you ignore negative sign, that will be tan 45. Minus is there. You need to write tan of minus pi by 4. So principal value is alpha
Sir,
is
we
equal
can write directly also, no, sir, minus pi by 4.
yes, directly also you can write, no problem. But practice I have given. General solution is theta is equal to n pi minus pi by 4. Direct
Minus pi by
formula plus alpha.
n pi plus alpha.
Yes, n pi
That
plus
is
minus
equals
pi
to
by
n pi minus
pi by
pi
4
by 4
where n
where n
belongs
belongs
to
to
Z.
Z.
Z. Okay, now you understood. Leave it now. So now you remember one thing. Already we have discussed sin theta and cos theta and tan theta. So you need not discuss sec theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. For example, cot theta is given, convert into tan and solve just like tan itself only. For example, sec is there, change into cos and solve as per the cos solutions. If cosecant is given, change into the sine and solve it. That's all. You need not study about cot theta and sec theta and cosec theta. You leave them. That's all. Okay, next concept. Next concept. Note write down. For example, the general solutions of sine square theta equals to sine square alpha, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha,
Tan square alpha.
tan square alpha, or theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to Z, where alpha is the principal value. Alpha is the principal value. I'll give one proof. The rest of the proofs also we can do, no problem. Okay. So let us prove this one. For example, sine square theta is equal to something given. How to find out its general solution? See, either sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha, or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Answer is same. Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Not plus alpha or minus alpha. Both should be there. See, I'll give the proof. So consider, for example, sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha. Already here alpha is given, principal value only, leave it. Now multiply both sides with 2. So you get like this. 2 sine square theta equals to 2 sine square alpha. Am I correct?
Yes.
So we have the formula 2 sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Am I correct?
Yes.
So now instead of 2 sine square theta, we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sine square alpha is equal, we can write 1 minus cos 2 alpha. 1 cancel both sides. So now bring cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 alpha this side. You will be getting cos 2 alpha minus cos 2 theta equals to 0. Equals to 0. So otherwise you can do like this also. Sorry, absolutely sorry. I'll tell you. What do you get here? Negative cos 2 theta is equal to negative cos 2 alpha. Negative, negative cancel. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha. It is just like cos 2 theta, cos theta solution only. Cos theta solution only. So now for cos theta, general solution is what? 2 theta is equal to, you can write 2n pi plus or minus alpha. But instead of alpha, what we have? 2 alpha. Divide both sides by 2. Therefore, we get theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Understood now? It's clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes.
Clear.
So sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha. We get theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Even you can take this also, you can prove same thing itself only. I am going to prove for that one also. Consider cos square theta equals to cos square alpha. Multiply both sides with 2. So we get 2 cos square theta equals to 2 cos square alpha. So my dear students, remember 2 cos square theta equals to, we have the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. So here we can write 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to, here we can write 1 plus cos 2 alpha. both sides 1 1 will cancel out. We have cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha. Here 2 alpha is the principal value, 2 theta is the general solution. So therefore general solution 2 theta is equal to, we can write 2n pi plus or minus 2 alpha divided by 2. So theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Let us go for one more case.
Can.
Yes. Consider tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Right.
2 times theta is equals to.
I will write reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by tan square theta equals to 1 upon tan square alpha. Can I write like this? Cross multiply, what do you get? If you cross multiply, what do you get?
Tan square theta is tan square alpha.
Yes. Apply CD rule. Comparendo dividendo rule. Apply CD rule. So then what do you get now here? So 1 plus tan square theta.
Visible, sir.
Pardon me?
Visible, sir.
1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta equals to 1 plus tan square alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha. Again reciprocal straight down. That implies 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square alpha, 1 plus tan square alpha. So my dear students, remember 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. It's a formula for cos 2 theta. Obviously it becomes cos 2 alpha. Now we can write solution. Tell me, what is the general solution? General solution is 2 theta is equal to
Equals to
2n
2n
pi
pi
plus
plus
or minus 2 alpha.
Plus or minus
equals
Divided
to
by
2
2. Therefore,
2 alpha.
pi plus or minus alpha.
n pi plus or minus alpha. That
Plus
means,
or minus alpha.
so what do we conclude? Even sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha. You see, sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha. Even cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Even tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. In these three cases, general
Theta is
solution theta is equal to n
Theta
pi
is
plus
equals
or minus alpha.
n pi plus or minus alpha.
N belongs to Z. Okay, let us solve some problems now.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve first question. Sine square theta is equal to 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 means 1 by 2 whole square. Am I correct?
Pi by
Yes,
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 is nothing but sine square. 1 by 2 is sine 30. So 1 by 4 we can replace sine square 30. Directly we can get the answer. Here sine square theta is equal to 1 upon 4 means this is 1 by 2 whole square. Since sine 30 degrees, sine pi by 6 equals to 1 by 2. So this we can write sine square pi by 6.
Pi
Now,
by
what is the principal value? PV is alpha is equal to pi by 6. Now it is rather sine square theta is equal to sine square alpha form. So general solution theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. So we get n pi plus or minus pi by 6. N belongs to Z. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to next question? Are you ready?
yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sine square theta is equal to 1 upon 2.
N pi
1 by
plus or minus pi by 4. N pi plus or minus pi by 4.
N pi plus or minus pi by 4.
How do you justify your answer?
1
This we
1
can
by
1
2.
by root
1
square.
by root 2 whole
1 by
square.
root 2 whole square. Okay, since sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this 1 by root 2 whole square means sine pi by 4 whole square. That we can write sine square pi by 4. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. What is the general solution? I'm writing directly theta. N pi plus or minus
N
alpha.
pi plus or minus pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
Yes. N belongs to Z.
Completed.
Okay. Solve sine square theta is equal to 3 by 4.
N pi plus or minus pi by 3, sir. N
3,
pi
sir.
plus or minus pi by
Pi
3.
by
sir.
3.
N pi plus or minus pi by 3.
Because root 3 by
Pi
2 whole
plus or
square
minus
equals
pi
to
by
3 by 4.
Good. First, we can write like this. Sine square theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square you can write. Since sine 60 is root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by.
Yeah. This we can write sine square pi by 3. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 3.
General
Therefore, theta is
solution.
equal to
N pi
n
plus
pi
or
plus
minus.
or
N pi
minus
plus or minus pi by 3.
n pi plus or minus pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
N belongs to Z. Okay, fourth one. Cos square theta is equal to 1 upon 4.
Pi by 4.
N pi plus or minus pi by 3.
N pi plus or minus pi by 4.
Yes,
Where n belongs to Z.
not
Pi
pi
by
by
4.
4. Not pi by 4. This
Pi
is
by
1 by 2
3.
whole square.
Pi by 3 is
Pi by 4.
This you check here
pi
first of
by
all. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 is equivalent to cos 60. That means cos square pi by 3. Am I correct? What is alpha? PV is alpha is equal to pi by 3. So what is the general solution? N pi plus or minus alpha.
Plus or minus alpha. N
N
pi plus
pi
or
plus or minus pi
Pi
by
by
3.
3.
N
N
belongs
belongs
to
belongs to
Z.
Z. Sir, one problem.
each
Homework.
other be each.
Okay, I will give the homework now. Solve all these homework only. Solve cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. Sixth, cos square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta is equal to 1 upon 3. Tan square theta is equal to root 3. Okay. Sec theta is equal to 2. Cosec theta is equal to negative root 2. Cot theta is equal to root 3. Right. Cot square theta is equal to 1.